Globetrotting. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Globetrotting can be used as a noun, pangalan, as in yung activity na yun mismo, and as an adjective, a word that describes someone. Pero similar yung ibig sabihin niya. Globetrotting. Kung meron kang globe at ikaw ay nagtatrot o naglalakad dito, hindi ba napipicture naman natin na para kang nagta-travel around the world? And that's exactly what it means. Globetrotting is traveling to many countries across the world. And those of you who love basketball are probably familiar with the Harlem Globetrotters. It's a group of trick basketball pros who travel around the world to showcase their talents. Kung gusto natin gamitin ng globetrotting in a sentence, we could say, after years of globetrotting, Ali finally decided to settle down in her hometown. Pagkatapos daw ng maraming taon na pagbiyahe niya paikot-ikot sa buong mundo, nagdesisyon na siya na manatili na lang sa kung saan siya talaga nagmula. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para hindi niyo makalimutan, gamitin na sentence, comment niyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.